Hi, I'm Dr. Solea and I practice dental sleep medicine here in Charlotte. This is my Solea Laser equipment and we use it to treat snoring. A short video will follow showing you how this works.
The preparation for the treatment was quite simple. They used a topical spray, and the topical spray basically prepared your throat for the gag reflex. And then the doctor used the Solea laser treatment, which was very, very quick. The discomfort level was minimal. The procedure only took maybe 4 or 5 minutes. It was quite quick. Right after the treatment, my immediate response was that this is fantastic because my lung capacity had increased dramatically. My breathing was so much easier. I was just totally excited about the procedure and the results of it. I definitely sleep better, I breathe better, and I snore less, and I have more energy in the day. When I work out and I walk, it's actually like I'm on turbocharger. For me, it's been a life-changing experience.